Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today just wanted to explain to you the best way to trade the New York session. If you have been struggling to find opportunities, then this video is for you. So let me just get started. So what we want to be looking for is we don't want to trade the Asian session and the London session. We want to wait for New York open. So as you can see on this picture, so we want New York to open. Then what do we want it to do? We want it to sweep the sell-side liquidity. After that, we want to see it reversed, leaving what inefficiency or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, we shifted in market structure. The New York session, we don't want just to be looking for shift in market structure in any type of chart. We want to be looking at the time that the shift in market structure happened. As you can see, it happened on the New York session. After that, the New York session left inefficiency right there, this fair value gap. Okay, so what we want to be doing is putting our buy limit right there, targeting this size or even the high that the market had already made. So it's that simple. Let's go to a sell model. This is a buy model. So same thing. We don't want to be trading the Asian session, the London session. We want to be trading the New York session. Before trading the New York session, what do you want to look for? We want to look for market to the New York session to manipulate higher. If we are looking to sell, we want it to manipulate higher, either manipulate the London session or even the daily open or any other swing high. Okay, so we swept it, reversed, leaving inefficiency right there and shifting in market structure. So what we want to be doing is putting our sell limit right there, targeting these lows or even any other low. So this is the strategy you want to be looking for. So let's go to the real chart and see examples of this model. So guys, this is the example in a chart. I'm on TradingView. So as I said, we want New York to manipulate lower, sweeping this sell side liquidity. So let me just draw it for you so that you understand it. So here we swept this sell side liquidity. Let me just label it. So there we go, we swept it, and immediately after that we reversed, going higher. Okay, so what we want to be doing is putting our buy limit on this breaker block, targeting what this high that New York had made. So before actually you trying to just go on the chart and look for any model that I've shown you, or just trying to find the opportunities using this model, you'll actually find yourself finding one or two on the chart. But in order for you to be accurate that this model will work, you'll need to add a few things. It's actually very simple. It's not even that complicated. So this is the daily open. Okay, this is the Asian session, and I've also labeled here is my daily open. Let me just move it right there. This is my daily open. Okay, actually I've decided to use vertical lines in order for me to just put this day in a box so that I can easily read it. You can do it the same way I've done it. or you can just decide to leave it, but I like seeing it this way. So as you can see, this is ES, S&P 500 E-mini in the futures market. So this is my daily open. This is Asia. So as I said, we don't want to be trading on the Asian session. We want to skip it. We want also to skip London. Don't even try to look for opportunity on the London session. After that, what do you want to see? You want to see New York manipulate. And where did it manipulate? Below the daily open. So this is also the one thing I wanted to tell you. So whenever you are analyzing a chart, when you are above the market, or not even above the market, when you are above the daily open, you want to be looking for what? For selling model. Okay, don't even want to look for any buys above the daily open. Okay, as you can see, this is the daily open. What you want to be doing is, when you are above, you want to look for a reversal. I'm just trying to put my cursor right here so that you can see what I'm saying. So again, when you are above, you want to be selling. When you are below the daily open, you want to be buying. It's that simple. Don't complicate it. So this is what you need to do. Is, since we're below the daily open, what we want to be doing is waiting for New York to open at 8. As you can see on my time, it opened at 8. You manipulated London. You don't have to look for like this low to draw your sell side liquidity. No, you draw the nearest sell side liquidity. I just decided to use the London session. Okay, as you can see, manipulated, pushed higher, putting what? Inefficiency. This fair value gap, as you can see, this like blue box right there, it left it. So after leaving this is a very good opportunity. You don't even have to chase the market. What you want to do is just put your buy limit right there and let it come for you. As you can see, the market pull back to this buy limit, getting it triggered, and there you go. Just a few minutes. Actually, this is the 15-minute chart, but in a few minutes you had this is a 3.02 risk reward ratio. So that easy. As you can see, it didn't even push that low to my stop loss. So this is one example of this opportunity. Okay, let's go to the sell model. This is a buy. Yeah, so guys, I'm in the sell model. So same drawings. My open, daily open, my open right there. I've marked the daily open right there with this horizontal line, so that I know that when I'm above the market, I want to see reversal in the New York session. Target push lower. Okay, so again, we don't want to be trading the Asian session. As you can see, there isn't even any opportunity. London, we don't want to trade it. We want it, since we are above the daily open, what we want to see is for the market, for New York session to open, manipulate higher, targeting what? It can be this previous swing, and then let it sweep and immediately reverse, leaving what? Inefficiency right there. This is your fair value gap. Okay, now leaving this, we know that the market can either pull to this breaker block. Let me just rename it for you so that it is easier for you to understand. So right there, this is my breaker block. Here is another one. Here's another one. Let me just draw it. Breaker block right there. Okay, so as you can see, you can decide to put in your sell limit right there or right there. So if the market did not, pull back right here, you don't have to be afraid, like say that the market has left you now. What you can just do is, you can target to put your sell limit right there or right there. Okay, targeting, if this one got triggered and this one failed, you still made money, as you can see on this move. So that's basically what I wanted to show guys in this video. So what you want to be doing is waiting for the daily open, and waiting for London whether push higher or lower. If it's higher, what you want to see is New York manipulate it and then drop. Okay, or if it's lower, we want it to manipulate lower, sweeping the sell side liquidity, going low. Okay, so this one, just I'll put it here so that I can see if the market swept it or closed below it. Since it swept it now, this is not a sell side liquidity. We can just put it as, since here we shifted structure, this is my, let me just look for, actually can I see it? Let me just look for a break of structure. Let me just use even this one. So this is my break of structure. So now we are bearish. Since New York pushed lower, we can target to put our sell limit either right on this breaker block or this one. Okay, the fact that it did not push higher, it means that there's probability that you can just put one position right there and another position right there. Whichever got triggered made you money, as you can see, as easy as that. Okay, so the target, you could have target right there if only this one got triggered, putting a stop loss right there above this, this candle or this order block right there. Could have targeted low, like right there, giving you a good high risk reward ratio. So this is all I wanted to talk about on this video. So 3 things we are looking for. You want to draw a daily open horizontal line. Okay, if London is above the daily open, what you want to see is for New York to manipulate higher, then reversed, putting our shift in market structure right there. And then what you want to be doing is for looking for inefficiency. Can be a fair value gap or a breaker block. Let the market respect it, putting your sell limit right there, targeting this low. As easy as that. You don't even have to try hard to find an opportunity on the chart. So this is an example of the best way to trade the New York session. Okay, so if you have reached this at the end of this video, thank you. Thank you so much. So you can like this video, you can share and subscribe. So again, thank you for everything. I'll see you in the next video.